Good morning, everyone. I just filled out my to-do list for today. I am not even sure if I'm gonna have a section for other things, just because today is gonna be a very, very heavy work day. So if something else comes up, I will write it at the bottom, but for now, this is my work to-do list. Lately, I have been really into using watercolors in my Hobonichi cousin. I think it looks really nice. Anyways, to start off the morning, I'm gonna get some emails done. Liquid just arrived. This is actually one of the boxes for the electric stapler. These boxes are stapled closed, so I actually don't know how I'm supposed to open them, so I think I'm just gonna slice open this box. So I'm guessing this is the first stapler unit. All right, I have unit 1 and 2. So let's open it and see. Wow. I am a little overwhelmed. So this part of the studio is where the electric staplers are gonna go. It is a little messy here. I do have to get rid of all of this stuff because this is gonna be where the sticker book making is gonna happen, and I don't want random stuff here. So this is my large A4 sized heavy duty paper trimmer. And this is also my heavy duty corner rounder, and this works beautifully. So yeah, I think the electric stapler is gonna go here. So I will move this corner rounder to this nightstand. So this is stapler number 1. How do I set this up? No clue. All right, after like maybe 40 minutes, I finally have one of them attached. Now I have to do the other one. All right, we are more than an hour in and I'm still not more than halfway through the instructions. So I think I need to take a little break because my hands are starting to hurt. Alright guys, I have been working on this all morning and I think I got it set up. It is all plugged in. This is the shield, and once I put it up, it doesn't let me staple, so it's like a safety thing. But yeah, when I put it down and I press on the foot pedal, supposedly it should staple. I have not tested it out yet. I just cut up these like misfit sheets. All right, we're gonna test this out. Do excuse all of the boxes in the back. I'm gonna put these shields down and then turn on the machines. Okay, they both lit up. That's good. And I think now I just press on the foot pedal. So let's see. Uh-oh, that wasn't supposed to happen. I'm gonna turn this off. Safety first. So that didn't staple. One suspicion that I have is the staple impact isn't heavy enough because I have 4 pieces of cardstock here. So that impact was at 1. I'm gonna try again at 3. It was a little scary when the tray of staples just shot out. So let's hope that doesn't happen again. I'm not too sure why that happened. And I'm gonna sit a bit further away. I don't know why it's not stapling. Okay, I figured out the issue. I managed to get it stapled, but it wasn't on camera. Basically, the instructions told me to put in these little guards, and I don't know what the purpose of that was because apparently after you put it in, you're supposed to take it out, and I didn't know that those were guards. Let me quickly show you guys this in action. So again, I have some cardstock. This is just misfits. I'm gonna put it over here, and then I'm gonna press the foot pedal. And it's stapled right in the center. Okay, I'm so sweaty right now, but I'm so glad this ended up working out. What I'm gonna do now is do some designing because I have some things to catch up on. And then after my lunch break, we're gonna actually put together real sticker books with this new machine. And I'm so excited. I'm also thinking of putting like cute little vinyls on here or something. I will see you in a bit. It is finally lunchtime. I'm eating a leftover Chipotle bowl from last night. Looks a little gross, but I'm sure it'll taste good. And I have a little chocolate cake. Hello, I am currently working on the sticker books. So currently I finished the emoji heads sticker books, and I also finished the essentials sticker book. I also want to do the seasonal ones. So I'm going to start with summer, autumn, and then if I have time, I will do winter and spring. So for all of the seasonal ones, the pages are going to be very similar, but obviously the color palettes and the themes are going to be a bit different. So currently what I'm doing is brainstorming, I guess sketching some ideas for the weekend banner page. So for all of the seasonal sticker books, I want there to be like a themed weekend banner. Alright, so we have come to the most important part of the day, which is actually test making the sticker books. And basically whenever there's like a new product or a new process, such as making the sticker books, I am always the person to kind of get it started. And after I get the hang of making the sticker books, I accumulate some tips and tricks, and then I will work on training everybody else. Today we're going to attempt to make 10 sticker books. I have 10 of the covers printed, and I also have pages 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, all printed. And this is also cut as well. Whatever sticker books I end up making today, I'm just gonna make a note of the quantity here. Okay, so this is a paper trimmer that I will be using. This is honestly like the first one that I just found when I searched heavy duty paper trimmer, so I'm actually not sure if it's like the best one, but yeah, we're gonna test this out with these sticker books. Alright, so I have made these 3 sticker books, and this stapler is working beautifully. However, my guillotine and, yeah, actually just mostly my guillotine is kind of misbehaving, so the sticker books themselves don't look very great. I 100% would not sell these in the shop. So yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed about that, but I figured I should share with you some of my failures as well. So yeah, I basically wasted a bunch of materials making these faulty sticker books. I will, sell them in the shop as misfits or something. But yeah, I think I need to practice a little bit more with the guillotine before it is perfect. So I think that half a burrito bowl from lunch wasn't enough because I'm already hungry and it's only 4 p.m. So I'm gonna have some of these everything but the bagel nut doodle. This is from Trader Joe's, which we don't have in Canada, but one of my followers sent this to me, so I'm really excited to try this out. Smells really good. So this is a cashew and it has the everything but the bagel seasoning. Oh my gosh, this is really, really good. Okay, this is round 2. I'm making more sticker books. This time they are the emoji head sticker books. And I completely redesigned this one. Instead of sorting them by the part 1, part 2, etc., I actually sorted them by the different moods. Basically, I just followed the emoji keyboard from Apple, and that is how I came to this order. I also added some extra ones. This is an adorable clown and this devious looking emoji. So I happen to have another smaller package today, and I think I know what it is. So this is a little custom stamp that I got. I've never actually stamped in my Hobonichi cousin before, but I kind of want to try. And the ink pad that I'm using is from Ranger and it is jet black. Whoops. Oh my gosh. Oh no, I regret doing that so much. Why? Okay, well, tomorrow I'm gonna have to find a way to cover up this mess. And this mess. And this mess. Okay, but at least this is really cute. Good evening. So evidently I just showered. This is probably going to be one of the last things I do for work today. So this is my business traveler's notebook, and I did a setup video of this maybe 3 weeks ago. Since then, I have made very good use out of it. Some of the things I can't show because they're obviously business information, but just as an example, here I have some doodles that I did for new releases. This is some brainstorming that I did for sticker books. Just random notes here and there. So recently I hired a virtual assistant for myself. Her name is Sophia, and she's also in the planner community. She is so nice. And for tomorrow she has a shift, so I want to plan out some things that I want to go over. Alright everyone, I have stayed up way later than I wanted to, so I'm going to head to bed now. Thank you so much for spending today with me. It was so much fun, and I hope you enjoyed just watching little snippets of my day and also some behind the scenes of my shop. So yeah, I will likely see you this weekend for a planner flip through because I have a lot to show.